Hi guys, John here, the head of trading at AudaCity Capital. Hope you're all well. So today I'm here to talk about one of our traders on the Fund the Trader program. His name is Collins. He achieved his 10% target on the $15,000 trading account and now has progressed onto stage 2 to manage 30,000 US dollars. We have paid him and doubled his account on the same day he hit his target. So first of all, congratulations to him, okay, for doing that. And what I'd like to do is just take you through his journey, which is going to be an interesting one, on how he went from $15,000 to $30,000. So let's start off with the start date, okay, so when he actually was onboarded with us. So as you can see, he came on board with us on the 2nd of April, as you can see here, okay, that's when he joined us, and that's when he started on $15,000. So it took him just pretty much over 2 months to hit his target. So again, within a quarter, which is an industry norm. But the good thing here is what happened during those 2 months. So that's the interesting part, actually. Was it just an easy ride, or did he have his ups and downs, his bumps here and there? So let's go through the journey. So as you can see, the first couple of trades he had here, he lost an amount, and then he started to work his way up. So first of all, let's look at the exposure. So as you can see, he was trading within the risk parameters, so just at 0.5 and below. Okay, he did not exceed 0.5. He was trading the currency market, so mainly trading cable and euro dollar. So pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar Swiss. So the major currency pairs, more or less. So as you can see here, he had, like I said, a series of losses, small gains, and then he had a couple of big losses here in a row, so consecutively. And he was trading within the risk parameters, still trading the currency markets, okay? And as you can see here, he was pretty much just making small gains, okay, very small gains compared to the losses he had down here. And started to lower the volume a little bit, trading some of the cross pairs, pound Kiwi, cat Swiss, Aussie yen, so pound yen. So yeah, again, you could tell by this style of trading, the approach is he's more of a scalper, an intraday scalper, high frequency trades. He's in and out the markets, in and out the markets. Look at that, small gains, and then he had his share of big losses again, as you can see right here. So again, he kept going, trading within the parameters, as you can see, okay, but the gains were very small compared to the big losses he had. He would adjust the parameters, he would adjust the volume. So for someone who's an intraday scalper doing high frequency trading, we can see the hit rate is there. He has a very high hit rate. He's winning a lot of trades in a row, but then he's having big losses. So one or two big losses is wiping out all the gains. So if you add those two up, plus all of those gains here, it's not even equivalent, okay? The losses outweigh the gains. But he's a scalper, so he keeps going at it again, winning a lot of trades in a row, a series of trades in a row at small gains. Okay? So the journey continues. Again, look at the volume, look at the size. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, okay? He's keeping it nice and small because he's scalping in and out, compounding on positions. Series of wins, look at that, almost a whole block of trades here. All winners. All winning trades, all winning trades. All these are winning trades at this volume. Look at that. And then he would face his losses again, but nothing major compared to the wins he had. So as you can see, if I just keep scrolling up, it's mainly the euro dollar, a bit of cable before, mainly euro dollar, okay? So here we are, cable again. Had a few big losses there. But Look, again, he's trading, scalping the markets, series of wins. So you could tell that Collins was the kind of trader who's probably sitting in front of his computer for 5 to 7 hours a day, trading frequently, high frequency trading, scalping the markets in and out using small time frames, 5-minute, 1-minute charts potentially, and sticking within the risk parameters and the trading parameters, may I add. So the guy never quit, and he got to a stage where he almost got close to the drawdown. So he came close to hitting the drawdown. The account was just at around 13,500 when he had a series of losing trades accumulated. So again, he had to work his way up until eventually he managed to recover all of this. Again, trading mainly euro-dollar cable, sticking within the parameters. And eventually he would continue high frequency trades, but most of them were winning trades. He would continue building the account. He increased the volume as soon as he regained the consistency. Okay, so he regained consistency. He had a huge series of wins. Again, faced a few losses along the way, but he would continue going until eventually he would achieve. Okay, he would hit the target. So what can I say about that? Okay, well, if we think about it, with the way he's been trading, okay, he is actually, if I could just go to last month, okay, just to show you the trades for the last month. Here we are. Let's just do that. 1 second, please. Here we go. So as you can see, until he hit his target successfully, and then we took out the profit, we paid him, split it in half, and doubled his account. So look at those winning trades he had in the end. Again, sticking within the risk and trading parameters. He never gave up. Okay, so that's someone that took it very, very seriously. And right now he's on the $30,000 and pretty much already he's making some profits there. He's in the account, so he's trading it. He's still going. So yeah, I mean, long story short, you know, Collins, high frequency scalper, trading on a daily basis, not giving up, kept going at it until he made his 10%. So there's always a way to make money in the markets. Okay, he had to refine his strategy. He had to reanalyze the markets. He told me personally on a conversation we had, and he just kept going at it, identified his mistakes, where his risk management was going wrong. He then corrected that, kept building the account until he accomplished the mission. So it can be done. Okay, once again, the message to all of you guys out there who have applied or who have signed the contract for the Founder Trader program, but then had second thoughts moving forward, doubts that maybe you could do this, you could make 10%. Well, look, he did it in just over 2 months, which is under a quarter. Industry norm, guys. Okay, industry norm in terms of time frame, and you are under no time limit. You're under no pressure here. So congratulations to Collins, and I hope to be talking about his next journey from 15,000 to 30,000. Sorry, from $30,000 to $60,000, and all the best for him. Take care for now. Bye.